Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Well, we have cross stitch. Oh, and a tool. I feel it. All right. Now these two kits come from FGNormal, and if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, I'll put them right in here. So let's start with, well, if I can just get everybody to lay down, the tulle. So I saw these cute little, what do you call it, pincushions. And they were $2.66, and you can carry it like so, which, you know, might be kind of dangerous with needles on it. I don't know. It's not, no, it's not magnetized. So, yeah. But they were kind of have a little cloth cover. You could cut that off if you didn't want it and you just wanted to set it there, and it has a little button. So, oh, I see what happens here. All right, hold on. Hold on. So that's how you keep it on your wrist. Let me pull my sweatshirt out of the way. So the button holds it, and that makes so much more sense than dragging around something with needles clacking against something. But very nice, and it comes in various shades and colors. And I believe it's a random pick, you know, so if, you know, I don't think you can get, if you want blue, you can get blue or whatever. They're just going to pick one. So, yeah. But for me, I just want, and it's real lightweight. Like, it's maybe heavy cardboard back there. Yeah, it's cardboard. But very nice, very stiff. Let me just get a pen. There we go. Very nice. For under $3, what the heck. I have lots of pincushions. But I keep them, I should actually keep one over there where I stitch on the couch. I do have one over there by the rocking chair. So, yeah. Because every once in a while I need it, but not very often, but every once in a while something goes wrong with the needle, so it's nice to have them there. So I have them in various places, and of course I have this one that I got from my friend Anita. She sent it to me, oh, a couple years ago maybe? Yeah, I love it. I use it. This is the one that sits on my desk because I can see it, you know. If I need it, it's huge. So, very nice. So, I think we're going to start with this one. And when you see it, you'll know why. So, let's find out. This is a Joy Sunday kit, 44 by 44. It was $12.05. Comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. Yeah. I got this one from another company. And it is the Roses and Trellis. And I want to, oh, it's not wet. This seems bigger than that one. For some reason, I don't have the other one right away, but it looks like it has not gotten wet. So maybe they've gotten things straightened out. It's beautiful. So let's start from the beginning and just look at it. Look at those roses. I love that little arbor thingy. It's just really cute. And I'm sure it could have roses growing on it, but they kind of look like they're out of the pot. Oh, there's a couple up there to give you that impression, but yeah, very nice. Very nice. Yeah, I was a little scared, but I thought, you know, I really like this kit, and I really wanted to do it. It does have back stitching. Where are the... Okay. Oh, it was so big, I just couldn't find it. Very small key. So, the numbers on this side match the paper pattern. These match the canvas. We have full stitch, half stitch, and back stitch. Not too bad. The back stitching is going to make this kit. It has a total of 60 colors. You got 3 in back stitch. You have a whole bunch in half cross stitch. So that's probably going to take care of the shading. So that'll help do it. I don't know. Let me look. Trying to see the top. So this whole top part is done in half cross stitch, like the background. So it is a full coverage. Let's see. We have 310 black. No 550 purple. No 823. We do have 939 and 3371, which 3371 is a dark brown and 939 is a very, very dark blue. So I guess they're using those 3 colors as the darkest colors in the thing. And no 3865. We do have B5200 down here. Oh, we do have 3865. It's down here. So this kind of ends at 41 in full stitch. And then it picks up from 19 to 59, you know, here, there, as being your half stitch. So, yeah. Very nice. There's no dark reds. We've got some pinks. So, yeah, but very nice pattern. You can see, it looks like straight lines pretty much. You know, a little bit, there's some around the leaves and stuff to bring it all out, but I think it will be gorgeous. I just like it. It looks really old and antique-y. You know, I like that kind of thing. Let's take a look at all the threads. It is 14 count if I didn't say that. Let me shake them puppies out. 2 cards. And it does have 2 needles. It does come on the lovely thread card where the red numbers are how many strands you have. Then you have the DMC number. And then you have the thread card number. So, 60 colors. That is 816. That is as red as it gets. So that must be like the highlights and the flowers, I'm guessing. But we have greens in various shades. Really light blue. Then over here we have mochas. We have mauves. Kind of a bittersweet orangish color. And some pinks. Kind of a pale rose there. Beautiful colors. Yeah, I went after this because I really liked it, and I was kind of upset that, I don't even remember what store it was, that it was ruined. You know, it had gotten wet. So I'm very thrilled that this is just ready to go. Just beautiful. Now this is weird for Joy Sunday. You know, I've seen this in other kits. So, oh, never mind. I'm sorry, I was having a moment. Because I thought that was 2 26s. I was going to say that is very uncommon for Joy Sunday. But very, very nice. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Just love it. What I need is another full cross stitch 14 count. Yeah. But, yeah, I like this. Now, when you see this pattern, you're going to notice that it just kind of looks a little blobby. I mean, as far as you kind of got the main outline of like a trellis. You can kind of see the roses. But once you put all that back stitching in there, it's going to make it just pop. Just pop. Sorry, I'm looking for my thingamabob. You know, my thingamabob. So it does have the product, 2 numbers that are on the front, and the name of the project. It is 200 by 200. So maybe about 45 by 45-ish. It is 44. I'm so sorry. 44 centimeters. I'm so used to 45, 50, 55, maybe 60. And this is 44 and a half. The actual picture is 36 and a half centimeters, or a little over 14 and a quarter centimeters. I mean, inches by 36 and a half centimeters, or a little bit over 14 and a quarter. So very nicely done, very well printed. I'm thrilled sick that it's not wet. It's just lovely. Just absolutely lovely. Thank you, FGNormal, for getting me one that was not wet. I appreciate it. Now the next one, I know. It's only October, right? Yeah. But you go to these stores, and we have every holiday imaginable. I mean, they're still showing Easter stuff. So, yeah, this is where this came from. And it is a 36 by 20. It was $6.69. It is a Joy Sunday kit. Trying to get it out of its bag. Yeah, I know it's a bit early, but, you know, I just thought it was cute. It's a partial. It's got half cross stitches, and, of course, it's got back stitching. I'm not seeing any French knots, but that doesn't mean anything. It's called the Christmas House, and it's in a car. Come on. Oh, my goodness. Some days. But I just like the buildings. I like that teal turquoise color in the background. Yeah, and I just thought it'd be something kind of cute to stitch for Christmas. So I don't know if we'll save it or not, but we'll see. Ooh, look how vividly printed that is. Isn't that beautiful? Just love the colors. Colors are just spectacular. Now this too has top numbers belong to the paper pattern. Bottom numbers belong to the canvas. They're two totally separate, different numbers. So in this, we have, oh my God, there is a French knot. Oh, it's the snow. Okay. I stand totally corrected. I didn't see no French knots. Yeah. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and onward. They're the little snow. Well, you see, you really can't tell that from the picture. Moving on. I like how the snowflake is the tire. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Just cool. It's just quirky and cool. I just love it. All right, we got 310 black. We have 666 red. I'm sorry, 606 red. No 823, no 939, no 3371, which was that dark brown. We have B5200 and 3865 for white. So you have 44 colors in full cross stitch. You have 1 in French knot. You have 6 in half cross stitch. And that's going to be like the shading around the edge of that car. And you have 2 colors in back stitch, black and white. Okay. That'll be different. Awesome. Just awesome. Let's take a look at the colors. And I think this is starting to be the standard cards that Joy Sunday puts out. Hang on. There's 2 of them, and they're stapled together, comes with 2 needles, and we again have red numbers, DMC, and then the thread cards. But look at these bright, vivid, beautiful colors. Red, greens, blue, green. Look at that blue right there. It's like a dark cerulean blue. And medium or light and medium blue over here. And over here, look at how bright and cheery and just just gorgeous. It doesn't scream Christmas. It screams winter, you know. But I'm glad they added lots of more bright colors where it's not all these shades of blues from like a dark blue all the way down to a pale, pale blue. And that's it, you know, to kind of show winter. It's too dreary. I can't stitch on that. I just can't. It better be a very good looking picture for me to do that. But just beautiful, bright, bright colors. And the houses just make it all pop together. It's gorgeous. Whoa, I thought it was going to fall. So, as you can see, it's long and skinny. And this one is not wet either. I'm looking for a pair of scissors here. Yay! Yay! And once again, it just kind of looks a little blobby. Until you get that back stitching on there, and everything will just absolutely click. Nice key at the bottom. They run all the way across here for regular. These are your half cross stitches, your French knot, and your back stitches. Just beautifully done. I am thrilled sick. May have to do this one and save it for like, I don't know, I won't be able to do that. Okay, never mind. Maybe we'll have pre-Christmas in November. Will that work? Yeah. So start stitching on your stuff that you might be able to finish by Christmas. That won't ever happen in my book, but you know, if it happens in your world, I am thrilled sick. For me, not so much. 37 centimeters or 14.5 inches. And this is almost 8 inches or 20 centimeters. The actual picture size is a little under 6 inches or 15 centimeters. And this way, a little over 28.5 centimeters or 11.25 inches. So not too big at all. You don't have to stitch the background. All this, where you see that yellow and that blue, that's all half cross stitch. There's half cross stitches running along the outside of that. And I'm sure there's some within there as well. So, yeah. Very nice. Very nice. I am thrilled sick that both of these, neither one of them were wet. It's just awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you, FGNormal, for those two gorgeous kits and my new little Pincushion. It's so sweet. So cute. Love it. Now, FGNormal has diamond painting cross stitch and paint by number. They also have beaded cross stitch. And they have tools and crafts for all of that. They always, excuse me, I ran out of spit. They always have a great selection, great prices. And you just can't go wrong if you can't find something there. I'm telling you, you just don't want something. What can I say? All right, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I surely appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.